Let's tackle the most problematic pollutant areas in your home today. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. On this episode of Microfiber Monday, we're doing a deep dive into the world of pollutant removal and tackling the 6 biggest trouble spots in your household today. And using the right microfiber tools, these pollutant zones don't stand a chance. Let's dive right in. We're gonna start with the first and most obviously dirty one, high-touch surfaces. These surfaces are loaded with viruses, bacteria, skin oils, grease, etc. And honestly, we don't even want to think about it. And when someone touches door handles, light switches, remotes, faucets, they leave behind a new wave of microscopic pollutants. And that's why I love using these silver-embedded microfiber towels. The silver yarn in these towels actually inhibit the growth of bacteria and viruses within 24 hours. No harsh chemicals needed. Just dampen the towel, and the positively charged silver ions get to work reducing the pathogen load. And here's the kicker. These antimicrobial properties stay effective for the entire lifespan of the towel. If you're serious about hygiene, this is the towel you keep in arm's reach. Moving on, problem area number 2, fine dust on furniture and decor pieces. Don't you guys know that fine layer of dust that keeps magically reappearing days after cleaning? Yeah, that's not just dust. That's a pollutant mix of dead skin cells, fibers, dirt, pollen, etc. floating around in the air. And that's why I love these CleanAide wash mitts, which make dusting an easy task. Since they slip right onto your hands, you get full control and maneuverability, which means no leaving streaks behind. Plus, they help reduce hand fatigue, making them perfect for longer dusting sessions, like when I decide to just tidy one shelf and suddenly I'm dusting the entire living room. These are ideal for quick daily dusting and those deep clean days. Next problem area, high and hard to reach dust fields. These areas are dust graveyards. Ceiling fans fling dust around every time you turn them on, vents collect layers of pollutants, and those cabinet tops, you haven't touched them since the day you moved in. And that's why I love using the Chenille Flex Duster, because it bends to any angle, making it perfect for wrapping around fan blades, sliding into vents, and reaching behind appliances. Add the telescopic pole, and suddenly all those too high, too awkward, too annoying areas become easy targets. And the Chenille microfiber traps the dust instead of spreading it around like traditional dusters, which means fewer pollutants in the air for you to breathe. Problem area number 4, dirty, debris-covered floors. Our floors get hit hard. Gravity is relentless, and every pollutant eventually gets right under our feet. And that's why it's important to clean your floors to make sure those pollutants are reduced in your household. Enter the Twist Yarn Mop Pad system. It's incredibly versatile. You can dust, clean, scrub, or scour depending on the pad you choose. And the color-coded system? A lifesaver. I use yellow for the living areas, blue for the bathroom, green for the kitchen, etc. It helps keep the cross-contamination down while keeping pollutants exactly where they belong, in the trash. We actually have an entire YouTube video dedicated towards DIYing this amazing mop system. Be sure to check it out. The link will be in the description below. Problem area number 5, everyday pollutants. These pollutants sneak up on us, like oils from fingerprints, food splatters, pet hair, and dust buildups. And our reusable micro wipes are my everyday hero. Ultra soft, edgeless, and safe for all surfaces like counters, electronics, stainless steel, you name it. Use them wet or dry with a cleaner or just water. They pick up oils, dust, and grime instantly, and because they're reusable, you save money and reduce waste. These are the kind of wipes you stash in every room for a grab-and-go solution. And finally, problem area number 6, streaky, dusty glass and screens. Glass attracts all types of pollutants like fingerprints, lint, dust, and water spots, and they all end up looking like high-definition shame. That's why I love these glass weave glass cleaning towels, which are woven to offer a streak-free and lint-free shine. Use them damp for deep cleaning or dry for quick dusting. They're safe on windows, mirrors, screens, and glossy surfaces. Boom, crystal clear, no streaks, no scratches. And remember, using the right tool doesn't just mean cleaning better. It makes cleaning almost fun. Almost. So what problem area drives you the craziest? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. If you are interested in these pollutant problem solvers, be sure to check out the description. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and don't forget to follow us on our social media. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.